Farm animals. We live on the farm. We sleep on soft hay. We run around the farmyard. We love to play with a moo, snort, and clack, a meow, quack, and bar. Wouldn't you like to know who we all are? Farm animals. The animals that live on the farm help us in many ways. Some give us eggs. Some give us wool for clothes. Some give us meat. Some give us milk to drink. Do you know who does what? Ba, ba. My mom is a wee. My dad is a ram. And me? Well, I'm a fluffy lamb. Did you know? In summer, farmers shear their sheep. The sheep keep cool, and the farmers keep the wool. Woof, woof. I help the farmer to herd his sheep. Then I lie in my basket and fall fast asleep. I wag my tail when I'm happy and glad. I yelp and howl when I'm feeling sad. Did you know farmers use whistles to talk to their dogs and tell them what to do? I grin and I snort and I dig a bar. I look for rules with my pink picky snout. When it's hot, I roll in the mud or the pool. It's the only way I can keep my cool. Did you know pig meat is called pork? Ham, bacon, and sausages are all kinds of pork. Oink, oink. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I strut around. I scratch the ground. I'm fine. I'm proud. I'm very loud. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Clack, clack. I scratch for food with my chicken feet, and I lay eggs for you to eat. Did you know chickens cannot fly far? They use their wings to fly up to a perch at night. Moo, moo. Did you know milk is used to make butter, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream? I'm a cow. Hear me moo. I make milk. It's good for you. Did you know horses were once used to pull plows and carts on the farm? Nay, nay. I stand up all day. I eat grass and hay. But what I like best is to gallop and play. Quack, quack. See me waddle. Hear me quack. I duck underwater for a weedy snack. I'm always looking for food to eat. I splash all day with my wings and feet. Did you know ducks have waterproof feathers to keep them dry? Quack, quack. I have a badge and horns. I'm a billy goat. When it's cold, I keep warm in my woolly coat. In the fields, I skip around. See how high I leap and bound. Bleed, bleed, bleed. Did you know goat's milk can be used to make tasty cheeses? Meow, meow. Did you know cats have special eyes so they can see at night? During the day, I wash my paws, but when nighttime comes, I sharpen my claws. I sneak around the barn or house. I'm ready to pounce on an unlucky mouse. I hang out by the pond where I like to be boss. Mess with me and I become cross. Then I honk and hiss just like this. Honk, honk, hiss. Did you know geese eat grass? They pull it up with their strong beaks. Quiz. What do you know? Number 1. What is a daddy sheep called? Number 2. What does a dog do when it feels happy? Number 3. How does a farmer talk to his sheepdog? Number 4. How were horses once used on the farm? Number 5. What is goose milk used for? Number 6. What do chickens use their wings for? Number 7. How do bees keep cool? Number 8. How do ducks keep dry? Number 9. What does a billy goat have on his head? Number 10. Which animal does yogurt come from? Number 11. How can a cat see at night? Number 12. What does a goose eat? Answers. Number 1. A ram. Number 2. It was its tail. Number 3. He uses a whistle. Number 4. They once pulled plows and carts. Number 5. It can be used to make cheese. Number 6. They use their wings to fly up to a perch at night. Number 7. They roll in the mud. Number 8. They have waterproof feathers. Number 9. He has horns. Number 10. A cow. Number 11. Cats have special eyes that can see in the dark. Number 12. Grass. Dictionary. Horn. A horn is a kind of pointed bone that grows out of the head of animals like goats and cows. Cheese. Cheese is a food that is made out of milk. Wing. A wing is the part of a bird or insect that it uses for flying. Feather. A feather is one of the soft, light things that cover the body of a bird and help it to fly. Paw. Paw. A paw is a name given to an animal's foot. Keywords. Here are some keywords used in contest. Help your child to use other words from the border in simple sentences. I have a bed and horns. I'm on my feet all day. I scratch for food. I make mix so you can eat cheese. I dig for roots with my snout. We live on the farm. We sleep on soft hay. We ran around the farmyard. We love to play.